Welcome back to our GST 2.0 Simplified series. In the last episode, we saw how you can update GST rates at the stock group level. Now, in this episode, we'll focus on an important task that every business must take care of after revising GST rates: updating your price list. We will be using TallyPrime's Excel import feature to do this. Let's see how it works. In TallyPrime, you can revise your price list directly from the gateway of Tally. Under Create in the gateway of Tally, search Price List, Stock Group. Here, you can update your rates manually. On the left, you see the price list that was created before the GST rate change. On the right, we have an Excel file prepared with the revised prices. This helps in bulk changes, especially when you have many items. To make this easier, TallyPrime allows you to create an Excel mapping. For this, go to Import, Manage, Mapping Templates, and then Create Master. Once the mapping is done, the Excel sheet can be directly imported into Tally, saving you a lot of manual effort. Here is how the Excel mapping works. On the left side, you can see the fields in Tally: name, price level, price list date, quantities, rates, and discounts. On the right, you can see the revised price list after importing the Excel sheet. Notice how the updated rates and discounts are reflected immediately in TallyPrime. This means any price change across multiple items can be implemented in one go, avoiding manual entry errors and saving time. This screen summarizes the entire process. On the left, you see the old price list with older GST rates applied. On the right, you see the updated list after importing the revised Excel sheet. The difference is clear: updated prices, correct discounts, and alignment with new GST rates. This ensures that your sales team is billing customers with the latest, compliant prices. So, in this episode, we covered how to revise your price lists quickly using TallyPrime's Excel import feature. In the next episode, we'll see how to validate your inward supplies. See you there.